Hi, my name is Warren Cook. I made video out of Myra Clay. Okay, she gets grounded for life. This because she is hate me, I hate her. There, I'm done of this for real VHS, not fake.
Warren, how dare you make video out of me and fake VHS? That's it, you grounded for life. I'm sending to Vestal City.
No.
I'm closing you account.
Wait, don't close my account.
Get in the police car, I'm sending to Vestal City now.
Welcome to airport, if I help you.
I want for ticket because song get sended to Vestal City, please.
Okay, have a nice day. Fly 9 early.
This is worst my life forever.
Come with me, going to prison every day.
Wait,
And this is your jail longer time for every day you never seen Disney.
I hate Vestal because you everyone hates Disney all series. I'm escaped to jail for tomorrow. Damn it, I hate in jail. That's it for chance. Let's broken and out for jail.
How dare you shoot at me? That's it, I'm calling Potemkin.
No.
You're going to jail now.
wait, no, I'm in the jail for teleport.
This is nightmare for my life because why so meaning to me?
Wait, this is worst for arrest and for my life too.
Young man, how dare you escape to jail? That's it, you grounded forever. No YouTube, no computer, no Disney forever. This, what is going on here, Kerry? Warren gets escaped to jail.
Oh no, that's it, you grounded big time. Ever of this no grand chase for you, and go to bed now.
Wait,
Thanks for watching show.